This beautiful home is in the very desirable Johnson Ranch development. And the Johnson Ranch development is absolutely amazing with an incredible amount of amenities. Just to name a few: disc golf, golf course, 3 pools, 3 spas, different parks, 19 playgrounds with barbecues, tables, and awnings. They have pickleball, tennis, baseball, you name it, even a fishing lake. Beautiful development with low HOA fees. This home is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with office, and it is 3,194 square feet. This is the 21-foot entry foyer living room, and that is the stairs that goes upstairs, and this is the main walkway. And to our left as we come in, this is the huge, beautiful office with double French doors. This is the laundry room, and the wash machine does convey, and that also leads to the garage. We'll go ahead and look at that now since we're here. It's really nice. It has these built-ins. As you can see, we have the softener unit, lots of shelving, and there is insulation on the garage door, and there's shelving here and the laundry, as well as these cabinets. And then that leads into, as you can see, this is open floor plan, so it's known as, or called, the great room kitchen area. We have a very spacious kitchen, a stainless steel fridge that'll convey. We have the large farm sink, new dishwasher, all the standard appliances. And this is nice because most homes do not have this. This is the pantry. The pantry goes under the stairs, so this also goes back this way. And there's shelving all through this, and it is a lot of storage. So most homes don't have a full walk-in pantry like that. So that is absolutely a huge plus. As you can see, you have a dog door and you have the Arcadia door, lots of windows with open light. And then this is the downstairs full bath, got closet with storage. Here's the downstairs bedroom. So it has a large closet, so a large bedroom, and then this walk-in downstairs. Some people would call this 3/4 bath. So there's no bathtub, but it's a shower with the vanity and toilet. So that's downstairs. We'll go outside. There's a lot of cool extras there in a moment, but let's go upstairs. Upstairs, there are 3 more bedrooms, but you'll find some neat surprises up here. First of all, we have a huge loft, and huge. So here's the loft, huge. There's your attic access. As you notice, there's fans throughout. So you have a huge loft for playing TV, theater, whatever you might like. And then they have a huge closet in this. Look how wide the hallway is. This is quite larger than most. And here's the first, we'll call it a secondary bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2, walk-in closet. Amazing. Then the hall, shared bathroom, full bathroom with 2 sink vanity. Very nice. A lot of light. Very nice. So this is bedroom number 3, very large. Again, with a walk-in closet. So these secondary bedrooms have walk-in closets. Then we come into the master bedroom, which is huge. So as you can see, and now I'm going to come over here. Look how huge, absolutely huge this master bedroom is. And now for the master bath, it is super full. You got the twin vanity, you have a soaking tub, you have a full shower, and what I like to call the reading room or the study room. Now look at this master closet, and we are talking huge. That is a huge master closet. Could be a bedroom. That thing is so big. So amazing home. Fabulous features, a lot of extras, very spacious, storage galore. So you have a living room, the great room downstairs, and then this massive loft. A lot of living space, and 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a full-size office, which could be used as a 5th bedroom. So let's now go out to the back room. Back room, how funny. Backyard, and there's a doggy door. So we have this covered patio, and you got this brick lane, quite a large area. There's the trash cans. There's the nice gate. You can see this is turf. You got space on the other side, large turf. This is all fenced, but look at this extra. You have a insulated, I'll call it storage room, workshop, office, whatever you would like, because it is air conditioned. There's the AC unit, and it's insulated, painted quite nice with indoor outdoor carpet. This is pretty cool little extra out here. So this can be used for whatever you would like, but there's electricity, there's lights, and there's AC that goes to it. So what a phenomenal home. If you would like to know more about this home or any other homes here in the Southeast Valley, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Ed Heiser, and I would love to show you this home and any other homes here in the area. I specialize here in the Southeast Valley, and I sell a lot of homes here in Johnson Ranch. And again, any questions, feel free to give me a call on my cell phone. I'm always just a phone call away. My cell phone is 480-734-808. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, you have a wonderful rest of your day.